show you how to replace the front emblem of a Kia Sportage MKIII. So this is a 2013 plate in the UK. You can see that the front badge on mine is quite badly worn. Lacquer is starting to peel, quite common on these type of badges. I've already replaced it, but I'm just going to walk you through the process because a lot of the forums and owners' sites say you need to remove the bumper to do this. Now I haven't had to remove the bumper, so I'm going to show you how. So just very quickly, some of the tools you'll need. So you're going to need a stubby screwdriver, potentially. I didn't need this, but I'll explain that in a moment. A small socket, wrench with a 10mm head, a small flat blade screwdriver, and I just use this to remove some of the screws, but you could easily use the stubby screwdriver for this. You might also want a rag and a bottle of cleaning product just to remove any residue that might be under the old badge. So what you're going to want to do, guys, then is remove these all along the top of the grille. You can also remove these as well. They're all Phillips head screws, and it'll just give you a little bit more room to lift this. So essentially what you'll be able to do then, unless you've got very large arms, I don't, is you'll be able to put your hand basically underneath here, and it'll allow you to access the rear of the old badge. And if I show you on the rear of the old badge, you've actually got a hole for a small Phillips head screw. Now my badge was actually missing this, which made life a little bit easier, so mine hadn't actually been screwed on, but it is still secured by these 4 of these lugs here. And once you've removed the screws and you're able to get your arm under here, you could wedge it with a rag or a cloth or something, and it'll allow you to reach these tabs. And basically what you'll want to do then is just pry the plastic tabs at the top. This will then allow you to get a screwdriver in behind the badge, pry it out, and the plastic tabs will break. But yeah, there's no way to avoid that really. And then you can replace with your new badge. Now, my new badge was actually from AliExpress. I'm not 100% happy with the quality of it, to be honest. It's more of a dull satin around the edge rather than a chrome. It seems to scratch quite easily, but you can see next to the old badge it still looks a hell of a lot better. So yeah, that was about, I think that was about £6 off AliExpress. If you've got a Sportage like this, you'll need a 16.5cm width on the badge, and I think I paid about £6 for this from AliExpress, as I'm also going to do the rear as well. I think a genuine badge like this, looking on eBay, you'd pay around £30 for it, and this one just basically secures with sticky sided tape. I'm yet to see how well that will hold up. There's no screws or tabs on this one. So basically that's it, guys. Any questions, just like the video, drop the questions in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help. So you don't need to remove the bumper, just follow the steps I've set out here. It's a little bit tricky, but should save you a lot of time. Thank you.